Hey everybody, I'm Alma, and this is my little sister Yulia.
Hi, I'm Yulia. I'm Alma's little helper.
That's right, today we have a super exciting adventure. Mummy's going out, and guess who's in charge?
Alma's in charge.
Okay, Yulia, Mummy's gone, and it's just us. But we have to be super responsible and take care of everything, okay?
Okay, Alma, but what if something happens?
Don't worry, we've got it all under control.
Uh-oh, what's that noise?
Uh-oh, the cookies I was baking.
Cookies are flying!
Yulia, look, the flour is everywhere.
Alma, we can fix this. You know what we do?
What, Yulia? What do we do?
We clean up with the power of dance.
Wait, what? How?
We clean and we dance, we make a mess. But we're the best team, no time to rest.
Yulia, you're a genius. You saved the day.
Yay, I love helping you, Alma. I love you, my uncle.
I think you meant to say, I love you, my sister, right?
Nope, I said uncle.
Okay, I guess I'll take that. I love you too, little sister. And that's how we saved the day, dancing our way through the mess.
Yay, happy dance, happy heart.